Suprabhatam. Children, third chapter is Godohanam. Godohana means milking the cow. Milking the cow. That chapter we will learn today. Godohanam. This is a drama. This chapter is a drama where we come to know that if we are unable to do the daily works that day only, or we postpone the daily work thinking that we will complete everything at the end of the month. If you do that, more than gaining, there are the chances of you lose many things. So don't pile up the things. This is the main idea of this chapter. Go for the Pitika, which is introduction part. Etat Natyamsham, this drama, Natyamsha, Krishna Chandra Tripathi Mahodayaihi. Krishna Chandra Tripathi is a writer of this drama. The drama's name is Chaturvyuham iti pustakat. The actual name of the drama, which is written by Krishna Chandra Tripathi, is Chaturvyuha. Iti pustakat Sankshipya. From that book, Sankshipya, after making it short, Sankshipya. Sampadya, after editing, Sampadya. Cha Udhratam, taken. Udhratam, taken. So it is the edited and the shortened form of the drama called Chaturvyuham. Asmin Natake, in this drama, etadrishasya janasya kathanakam asti. Etadrishasya, this kind of. Janasya, people. The people. Kathanakam, story is there. Who yaha dhanavan sukhakaki cha bhavitum ichukaha. Dhanavan, rich. Sukhakaki, one who wants the happiness. Bhavitum ichukaha, he wants to be rich and he wants to be more happy. So such a person is there. Ichukaha, one who wished to. Masaparyantam dugdha dohanameva. Masaparyantam dugdha dohanadeva. So he is not milking the cow for whole month. Viramati means he is taking rest. He will not milk the cow every day. Yena masante dhenoho sharire sanchitam paryaptam dugdham ekavarameva vikriya sampattim arjayitum samarthaha bhaveta. Why he is not milking? Because he thinks that if I remove the milk every day, it will give around 10 liters a day. So I cannot store it 10 liters because there used to be a function after 1 month. So he thinks that if I leave the milk in the womb only, in the stomach only, I can take out 300 liters of milk at the end of the month. This is thinking. So yena masante, by which means if I do not milk the cow, masante, at the end of the month, dhenoho sharire sanchitam. Dhenoho, cows, sharire, in the body, sanchitam, collected, Paryaptam dugdham. Dugdham is a milk. Paryaptam, sufficient. Sufficient milk. Ekavarameva, once only. I can sell. Vikriya means selling. Sampattim arjayitum samartha bhaveta. I can earn money. So I am able to earn big money at the end of the month. Param. But मासान्ते यदा सः दुग्धदोहनाय प्रयतते तदा सः दुग्धबिन्दुम् अपि न प्राप्नोति. At the end of the month, when he tried to collect 300 liters of milk at once, he did not get a drop of milk also. Dugdha bindum api na prapnoti. He did not get a drop of milk also. It is not there only. If we milk the cow every day, it is able to give you the milk, children. But if you leave it, the milk will dry up. So it pains. When we try to milk it after 1 month, it will pain to cow. So it will kick you. It will kick you. Dugdha praptisthane, in the place of getting milk, saha, that person, dhenoho praharaihi, by the beatings of cow, raktaranjitaha bhavati, he will become full bloody. Because by the kicks of the cow, the whole body is blood. Raktaranjitaha bhavati. Avagachati yata, then he realized that. Chayat dainandinam karyam yadi masaparyantam sangrihya kriyate. If we pile up the daily works, thinking that we will do it at the end of the month, tada labhasya sthane hanireva bhavati. Then, in the place of profit, we will lose many things. We will lose many things. We will not gain anything. This is the introduction part of 3rd chapter, which is Godohanam. Godohanam.